Hello friends, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show WhatsApp status upload or post waiting for network problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, search WhatsApp, update WhatsApp app, tap on WhatsApp, click this icon, then scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode. Flight mode turn on just few seconds. Now open on WhatsApp. Now post WhatsApp status. WhatsApp status post done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.